Hi there, Kabibo! Minsan ba napapaisip kayo at natatanong nyo ang sarili nyo about something that you regret not doing at natanong nyo ang sarili ninyo ng, what if ginawa ko? Halimbawa, sabihin natin, in a job application at hindi mo pinursue yung job na yon. Natanong mo ang sarili mo ng, what if nag-apply ako? O kaya naman sabihin natin, there is something like an achievement or a milestone that you would like to share at hindi mo ginawa. Natanong mo ba ang sarili mo ng, what if shinare ko? O kaya naman doon sa mga pagkakataon that there came an opportunity at hindi mo siya kinuha. At minsan ba natatanong mo ang sarili mo ng, what if I took the chance? Minsan we have this feeling that we fail not because hindi natin kaya. We think we fail dahil natatakot tayo. Kabibo, allow me to share with you a Bible verse that can come in handy in these situations na nawawalan tayo ng lakas ng loob. Ang sabi nga sa Philippians 4:13, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Remember this, failure can teach you, but regret can stay with you for many years. Kaya kung kaya mo naman, subukan mo. Because we are sure na one day, you do not want to be stuck with the question at napapaisip ka ng, what if ginawa ko? Malay mo, you're just one decision away from the life na ipinagdarasal mo. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito ng The Bibo Project, please follow us on Facebook and in TikTok at pakishare mo na rin sa mga loved ones mo. See you next video, mga Kabibo!